Hello everyone, this is class 6 maths chapter number 13 set concepts exercise 13D. Question number 1 to 3 we have already done. This is question number 4. Here set P is equals to X such that the dot of these means is such that X is a factor of 12. Means here X, the value is what values will come inside this bracket that are factor of 12. लाइक जिनको आप मल्टीप्लाई करते हो तो 12 आता है, दैट आर फैक्टर ऑफ 12, वो चीज़ आएगी इसके अंदर. हेयर क्यू एक्स सच दैट एक्स इज़ अ फैक्टर ऑफ, अभी वो नंबर यहाँ पे आएंगे इस ब्रैकेट के अंदर दैट आर फैक्टर ऑफ 12 जिनको मल्टीप्लाई करने से जो फैक्टर 16 के हैं जिनको मल्टीप्लाई करने से यू आर गेटिंग 16. हाउ इट इज़, सी फर्स्ट इज़ 12 गिवन ना, सो फर्स्ट इज़ 12 1s are 12, right? Next is you can write 2 6 are 12, getting 4 3s are 12. Start writing the factor side by 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. Other than these factors you can check if anything is have, बट अभी कोई नहीं आएगा. हाँ, आप इसको थोड़ा खोल के लिख सकते हो कि ऐसे लिख दिया, फिर 2 6 सा लिख दिया, फिर 6 2 सा लिख दिया, बट रेपिटेशन तो हमने लेनी ही नहीं है, तो यही फैक्टर हुए ना. 1 हो गया, 2 हो गया, 3 4 6 12. दीज ऑल आर द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 12. नेक्स्ट वी हैव टू राइट फॉर 16. राइट इट. 16 1s are 16, then 4 4s are 16, then 2 8s are 16. Getting? Hope these are the numbers. How to write 1? I'm writing it as in the ascending order by myself. It's my choice that I will write it. आप किसी भी वे से लिख सकते हो. Right beta? So in this, these are the numbers which he is asking in the question, that x is such a factor of 12. Factor of 12 are these. Factor of 16 are these. From here we will start our question. Now how to do this? First we have to find n of p, means cardinal number of set p. 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is 6. Cardinal number of set q. 1 2 3 4 5. Next we have to find q minus p. q minus p फाइंड करना, तो बताया हुआ कि q के वो एलिमेंट राइट करने हैं जो p के अंदर नहीं है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is not there. सॉरी, हमने q की राइट करने हैं, सो 3 नहीं आएगा. देन 4 is there, 8 is not there, 16 is, so 8 and 16 आएंगे बेटा. 8 and 16 will be there. So we have to write cardinal number of this also. This is q minus p ना, so we have to write its cardinal number also. So n of q minus p क्या रहेगा? That will be 2. होप अब तक आपको समझ आ गया होगा कि क्या कर रहे हैं. Okay beta, next is question number 5. Here again statements are given. So how to write it? Firstly we have to learn. अभी तक आपको you must know that what is intersection, what is union, how to find a minus b, b minus a, how to write its cardinal number. But in these questions, if you are able to understand the statement what is written, then you can easily do the question. Here x such that, what is x? X is a natural number that comes between 0 to 8. We know this thing, natural number starts from 1 and goes up to infinity, right? So we have to write the numbers which get started from 1 and it ends up at the 7, क्योंकि 0 से 8 के बीच वाले राइट करने हैं. So set m will be equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. As we can't take 8, so we are not writing it. For n, x such that x is a natural number from, here you have to focus, it is not between, it is from. So natural number 5 is a natural number, so we will write it from 5 and up to 10 we have to write. So 5 and 10 both will be included. इनको हम लिखेंगे, लेंगे इसको हम 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Now we will come to the question that what to have, we have to find. In first part we have to find m minus n, means m के वो number write करने हैं that doesn't comes in n. So what are that numbers? 1 2 3 4. these are the numbers that doesn't comes in the n. So write it. बेटा ये कैपिटल आना था, मैंने स्मॉल राइट कर दिया. ओके, m minus n is equals to 1 2 3 4. Next we have to write its cardinal number also, n of m minus n, that is 4. 1 2 3 4. Okay, second part, we have to find n minus m and write the cardinal number of n minus m also. So we will write the numbers which are not common to m. n के नंबर राइट करेंगे, दैट विल बी अप टू 7 तो ये जा ही रहा है, 8 9 10. So we will write it 8 9 10. Okay, so its cardinal number will be 1 2 3. कितने नंबर हैं ये? 3 एलिमेंट्स हैं. आप इसको सीधा लिख सकते हो 3. n of n minus m is equals to 3. Okay, next is question number 6, that is set A is x such that x is a natural number divisible by 2 and x is less than 16. Means we have to write the numbers which are divisible by 2 but are less than 16. So for this we can write the table of 2. That will be 2 4 6 8 10 12 and 14. We will write up to here because in question it is less than 16. Hope you understand. Next is x is a whole number divisible by 3. The number which are divisible by 3 and less than 18, for this we will write the table of 3. 3 6 9 12 15. Yeah, next will be 18. So we will not take 18 because it's less than 18. Okay, now we will focus that what to do in question. Okay, here first we have to write cardinal number of set A. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Cardinal number of set B. 1 2 3 4 5. A intersection B means which are not numbers which are common to each other, only that we will take. So which are common? 2 4 6 6 12. Yeah, these two numbers 6 comma 12. A intersection B is equals to 6 comma 12 and its cardinal number of A intersection B is 2. Last we have to find cardinal number of A minus B. So for firstly we will find A minus B. So for A minus B we will write only that number which are not present in B but are in A. 2 4 and then 6 इसमें आ गया, 8 then 10 then 14. So cardinal number of A minus B is, बेटा आपको मैसी ना लगे तो मैं यहाँ पे एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर देती हूँ, इसलिए now let's count 1 2 3 4 5. So its cardinal number is 5. So question number 6 we have done. So next we will do in next video. Thank you beta.